Here's a question. Where do AI answers come from? AI systems build a picture of your business using signals they find about you across the internet. Each AI model uses its own algorithm, but they work in a similar way. They collect information from many different sources and weigh those signals against each other. If one source is thin or inconsistent, it weakens the overall picture. AI systems prefer signals that are structured, consistent, and easy to interpret. Some of those signals come from the structure of your website. A well-organized site, clear agent profiles, and listings tied to your expertise all help AI understand what your business represents. The technical layer is invisible to visitors, but it's one of the first places AI systems look when interpreting a website. Other signals come from the expertise you share: helpful articles, videos, answers to common buyer and seller questions, and clear explanations of the process all help to establish authority. Local knowledge is another important signal. Neighborhood pages, market insights, and local guides help AI recognize that you have genuine expertise in a specific area, not just a real estate license. And finally, AI looks at your reputation across the web. Reviews, testimonials, profiles on major platforms, and mentions across other websites. AI systems cross-reference all of this information. When signals are consistent, confidence increases. When signals don't align, that confidence drops. Together, these signals help AI search systems understand what your business does. The clearer and more organized that information is, the easier it is for AI systems to understand who you are and what you specialize in. And that increases the chances of being recommended. Content structure is one of the key factors that helps AI understand a website. AI systems prefer information that is clear, organized, and easy to interpret. That means things like clear headings, well-structured sections, consistent terminology, pages that focus on specific topics. When information is organized this way, AI can understand your business much more easily. For example, it can recognize that one section describes a neighborhood, another explains an agent's expertise, and another focuses on local market insights. The clearer your website is, the easier it is for AI systems to understand your business. Many of the signals AI systems use to understand your business live in the background of your website. Visitors never see them, but they help machines interpret things like who you are, where you work, what kind of clients you serve, what services you provide, what markets you specialize in, and where your authority comes from online. When that information is clear and well-structured, your business becomes much easier for AI systems to understand. One of the most important signals is structured data. Structured data describes your website in a format that machines can interpret. One common implementation is JSON LD, which follows a standard called schema.org. Schema.org is essentially a shared vocabulary used by search engines and AI systems to describe and categorize information. AI systems are trained to recognize the structure, which allows them to interpret websites much faster. For example, a website can define that it represents a real estate agent, a local business, a brokerage, or a specific professional. Structured data can also describe details like name, location, contact information, areas served, and services offered. Visitors never see this information, but AI systems do. And when these signals are clearly defined, AI can quickly understand what a website represents. Placester helps make sure your website sends the signals AI systems are looking for. From structured data and clean site architecture to tools for publishing local content, Placester websites are designed to perform well in both traditional and AI-driven discovery. If you'd like to see how it works, start a free trial of Placester or book a demo. We'll walk you through how to strengthen your AI visibility step by step.